Hello friends, welcome back to You, Me, Shine platform, that is Umeshine platform. In our journey of public speaking, in the last video, we discussed about the effective way of using hand gestures. In modern public speaking, there are some hand gestures. In the last part of last video, we discussed about listing and leveling hand gestures. The third hand gesture which is effective in modern public speaking, that is known as pointing. My dear friends, no one from the audience likes to get pointed out. Even you will not like to get pointed at. So this is a very important hand gesture in public speaking. Simultaneously, this is also a very cautious and careful tool of hand gesture. Because in pointing out, if you are pointing out like this to somebody in the audience, he gets nervous. He gets offended. He feels low. So here, in pointing out hand gesture, here it means that you point out a point out a topic. For example, I remember one thing. Say like this, I remember one thing. Yes, that was the day when somebody spoke about public speaking. Yes, I remembered a person who was speaking on public speaking very effectively. Or in the audience, if somebody is sitting and you want to give his example, then you can say, yes, the last man sitting in the third row is very effective in public speaking. In this, we are pointing out a person or pointing out an event, pointing out a part of a topic to give explanation or to give more clarity in the picture. But this hand gesture, my dear friends, is to be used very carefully. Nowadays, you must have seen the leaders while speaking on the stage, they say like this, like this, like this. This is offensive. This is offensive, or you can say this is authoritative. In audience, no one likes to get the hand gesture like this or finger gestures like this. So if you are pointing out some person, pointing out some topic, then use this finger very carefully, very, very carefully. Next is prompting gesture. Prompting gesture means, my dear friends, when you are speaking in front of a gathering, if you want your listeners to clap on a particular point, or to clap on a particular person, or to clap on a particular moment, or you want somebody from the audience to raise his or her hand, or to do some physical movement, do some nodding, at that particular time, we ask the audience to clap or to support, to raise your hand, to raise hands. So in that particular moment, the speaker, that is you, need to support. If at all you want to say, raise your hands, first you raise your hand. Raise your hands. If you want to say some particular person to clap, then first you clap. Then say them to clap, so they get support of your hand gesture for them to initiate. So this is prompting hand gesture in public speaking. The gesture you are expecting from the audience to be initiated by you first, then they will follow. So you are prompting the gesture to them. Number 6 hand gesture in public speaking is supportive hand gesture. Supportive hand gesture, friends, imply to support my words with hand gestures. If at all I say something with positivity, if I say something with vigor, if I say something with valor, then that particular word or that particular sentence has to be supported in similar hand gesture. If I explain the size of a particular thing, or if you can see a depth of a particular topic, then I can use the hand gesture likewise. If I say the sea was very deep, then I have to say that the sea, the water level of the body, friends, was very deep. Or if I say the level of knowledge, the depth of knowledge of Mr. A is very high. He has a huge shape of huge foundation of knowledge. I can say that the knowledge level of Mr. A is huge. The height of the person, the height of a particular building or height of a particular hill was very high, very huge. Or you can say the topic or the nature of a particular person or the depth of a particular topic is great, is outstanding. So you can say his approach to the topic is great. The way he presented the topic was outstanding. So these are the hand gestures which support your words, support your ideas, support your sentences while you are presenting yourself in front of the audience in making an effective public speech. So friends, these 6 hand gestures in innovative, creative and modern public speaking support you, guide you, facilitate you to be influential, to be touchy in front of an audience. If you use these gestures effectively, with comfort, at ease, and with you specifically naturally, then these hand gestures will go a long way to make your public speech very effective. Once again, I remind you that you practice those hand gestures which are supportive to you, which are guiding you, in which you are feeling yourself comfortable. जबरदस्ती कोई भी हैंड जेस्चर आप यूज नहीं कीजिए. अगर जबरदस्ती करेंगे आप अपने आप को नेचुरली प्रेजेंट नहीं कर पाएंगे, तो फिर वहाँ पर आपके वर्ड्स और जेस्चर्स के बीच में सामंजस्य नहीं रहेंगे, कन्फ्लिक्ट शुरू हो जाएगी. सो प्लीज analyze your comfort level and use the hand gesture accordingly. If at all, if you are not comfortable with a particular hand gesture, once again I say you use this traditional hand gesture. This is the traditional way of doing it. I reiterate that use those hand gestures which are comfortable as far as you are concerned. Thanks for watching today's video. I reiterate, share this channel like this channel, subscribe this channel to make people get grassroots level ideas on public speaking. Have a nice day. God bless you. Thank you so much.